going. Thanks for everything, Barney. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Hey everybody, it's time for Bonnie Dance.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never end. Here's what we did today. We learned that counting all sorts of things can be fun. We began counting by looking at Hannah's special collection of rocks. She had 10 of them. BJ was so excited to show us his toy cars. There were 4 red ones and 4 blue ones. That makes 8 cars. Baby Bop wanted to make bubbles. We tried to count them all. Look around you and you'll see many things that you can count. Counting can be so much fun. And remember, I love you.